Hi, this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. Today is April 17th. It is the 107th day of the year. We only have like 254 more days left in this year. This year is getting gone. Today is National Herbalist Day, and moi, am a certified herbalist. So I came to you. Let me shout out my mentor, Sister Latifah. Hey, girl. I want to tell you about some antibacterial herbs and antimicrobial herbs that will fight that, will help counteract that. And when I tell you and share these herbs with you, you're going to see how our natural diets back when we were cooking from home in the garden were naturally healing us. When you hear these herbs, add them to your recipes or make you some tea and add them to your tea. When I say antibacterial, fight things like the flu, STDs, strep throat, urinary tract infection, bronchitis, anything with an infection. I mean, bacteria. When bacteria gets out of whack, because we all got bacteria in us. Okay, so listen. Cloves, cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, thyme, echinacea, mint, fennel, chamomile, honey, local honey now, garlic, aloe, marshmallow root, burdock root. I like burdock root, eucalyptus, golden seal. And I keep some golden seal with me and around me. I said mint and fennel, great for tea. Eating is spiritual. Cooking is spiritual. Let's be intentional about both of them. Have a good one.